publishing house is focusing on publishing children's books as well as books for adults, and on the other hand we are proud that we are the publisher of one of the 3 oldest magazines in Europe. We are focusing on motivation, how to motivate children and adults to read, and how to raise the awareness of the importance of the literature. The aim of the project Our Little Library is to promote reading, as well as European authors and illustrators who are established at home but not necessarily in other European countries. We found ourselves faced with the problem of how to present our best authors to wider European audiences. In order to disseminate Slovenian literature across Slovenia's borders, we choose the reading project Our Little Library. So each of the 6 publishers contributed a couple of its best works for children, so 12 authors and illustrators were included in the project. The books were translated into 5 foreign languages and included in the creative workbooks, which were printed in all 6 languages. So it was really nice situation when we came to one school with the author, and little girl came to us and she was saying, "Oh, but authors really exist." And so in these situations you really feel the importance of this personal contact and to give the children the opportunity to meet the authors and with the creators of the books. With help of Creative Europe, we were able to meet new people, to meet new professionals, and also to share the experience with them. Additionally, we became more recognizable also in Slovenia and also abroad. So because of that we were invited to different fellowships, to different seminars abroad and in Slovenia. I believe that without working on this European project this would be impossible, and the second advantage is also that with the financial help you really can extend your activities in completely different ways, and you have the support to work on activities that otherwise you wouldn't be able. Refreshing, powerful new friendships.